A clutch pedal doesn't get stiff for no reason. It's usually a warning before something fails. If your clutch pedal suddenly feels heavier than normal, don't brush it off as "my leg is tired." A sudden stiff clutch is one of those symptoms that can turn into a no-shift situation without much warning. Sometimes it's a simple hydraulic problem. Other times it's a mechanical part binding up inside the bell housing. Either way, the pedal feel changed because something in the clutch system is no longer moving smoothly. First, what stiff really means. Some drivers mean stiff, as in harder to press down. Others mean it feels notchy, gritty, or it sticks part way. Those details matter. A smooth but heavy pedal usually points to pressure plate or linkage changes. A pedal that's rough, jerky, or sticks often points to something binding, failing, or losing lubrication. Cause 1. Clutch hydraulic issue or failing slave cylinder. Many modern manual cars use a hydraulic system: clutch master cylinder on the pedal, slave cylinder at the transmission, and fluid in between. If the slave cylinder starts to fail internally, it can create extra resistance and a weird pedal feel. If there's contamination or old fluid, it can also make seals drag and stiffen the action. Look for a changing bite point, difficulty getting into gear, or the pedal not returning crisply. Also check the clutch fluid reservoir if your car has one. Low fluid doesn't always make the pedal stiff, it can make it soft, but hydraulic problems can show up in different ways depending on what's failing. Cause 2. The clutch fork or release bearing is binding. Inside the transmission bell housing, the release bearing slides and presses on the pressure plate fingers. If that bearing is failing, it can feel like the pedal suddenly got heavier, rougher, or noisy. Sometimes you'll hear a chirp, squeal, or grinding sound when you press the clutch. That noise is a huge clue. If the sound changes only when the clutch pedal is pressed, the release bearing area moves up the suspect list. This is one of those problems that usually gets worse quickly once it starts. Cause 3. Pressure plate problems. The pressure plate is the spring-loaded clamp that holds the clutch disc against the flywheel. If its diaphragm spring is damaged or the mechanism is wearing unevenly, pedal effort can change. Sometimes it becomes heavier, sometimes it becomes inconsistent, light in one part of travel and heavy in another. If you also notice clutch engagement changing, slipping under load, or a burning smell, the clutch assembly may be approaching the end of its life. Cause 4. Cable clutch issues if your car uses a cable. Some vehicles use a clutch cable instead of hydraulics. If that cable starts fraying, rusting, or binding in the sheath, the pedal can suddenly feel heavy and notchy. This is a common "it was fine yesterday" failure. A cable clutch often gives a warning. The pedal effort rises, then it starts feeling gritty, and then the cable can snap, leaving you unable to disengage the clutch. Cause 5. Pedal pivot or linkage binding. Sometimes the problem is right at your feet. The clutch pedal pivot, bushings, or linkage can dry out, wear, or partially seize. That can make the pedal feel stiff or creaky, especially in cold weather or after the car sits. If you hear creaking inside the cabin near the pedal and the clutch still works normally, this is worth checking before assuming the transmission is coming out. Cause 6. Misalignment or mechanical damage after recent work. If the stiffness showed up right after clutch work, transmission work, or even an engine mount repair, something may be misaligned or installed incorrectly. A fork not seated properly, a slave cylinder not mounted correctly, or an incorrect part can change pedal effort immediately. If the timing is, it got stiff right after a repair, don't accept it's normal. Recheck the work. What you should do next before it leaves you stuck. Start with observation. Does it feel smooth but heavier or gritty and notchy? Do you hear noise when you press the clutch? Did the bite point move? Can you shift into gear easily? Check the clutch fluid level if applicable and look for leaks near the master cylinder, slave cylinder, and lines. If the pedal is suddenly very stiff, rough, or you hear bearing noises, don't keep forcing it. A failing release bearing or pressure plate can turn into a clutch that won't disengage, and that can leave you stranded in traffic.